Did you ever worry about
my height?
Yeah.
Yeah. In the beginning of my career, I was very afraid कि यार पता नहीं छोटे हाइट के एक्टर की कुछ दाल गलेगी कि नहीं गलेगी.
Is there a reason why you moved away from the pay-per-view?
पेपर व्यू में मैं कब आने वाला था? आपने कब ये बात?
At the Wave Summit, I
Not at all.
remember.
पेपर
you
व्यू
know,
की कभी बात नहीं हुई.
But OTT.
OTT पे मुझे नहीं आना. मैं आज जो भी हूँ वो थिएटरों की वजह से हूँ, सिनेमा हॉल की वजह से.
बिल्कुल.
तो I have complete loyalty with cinema halls and theaters.
The person जिसकी वजह से this new channel got an entirely new audience. Hi everybody at Just to Film Me. I'm so glad we got time with Amir before the release of Sitare Zameen Par, because when we had a little chat with him a couple of months ago, he was really looking forward to this film, and here he is on the channel. So hi Amir.
Hi.
Let me just tell my audience that I'm in Delhi for this interview because you've had the most manic couple of weeks.
Yeah, the schedule is quite hectic and lot of work. Before the release, it gets mad.
What is it like? Is it work on the film or is it work to promote the film?
Both.
Really?
And actually, promoting the film is part of filmmaking, I feel. जब हम किसी को कहानी सुनाते हैं, तो पहले हम उसका ध्यान बटोरते हैं. अगर मैं कमरे में बैठा हूँ और पार्टी चल रही है, लोग म्यूजिक सुन रहे हैं, खाना वाना चल रहा है, तो मुझे अगर कुछ बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ कहनी है तो मैं सबका ध्यान लूँगा. मैं बोलूँगा अरे म्यूजिक बंद करो, सुनो मेरी बात, सुनो इधर आओ.
Correct.
और फिर मैं बताऊँगा. तो promotion is that when you want to share something very important with the audience, फिर आपके मन में भी वो एनर्जी ज़्यादा आती है कि मैं लोगों का ध्यान बटोरूं ताकि वो जो मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ वो सब सुने.
It's amazing now how every film has a different route. Like this film sees you a lot more coming towards us.
जी.
The last film, which was Lal Singh Chadda, you strictly didn't speak to anybody.
I did. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा.
You hardly spoke to people at that point. I think it was a combination of factors. We were all coming out of COVID. We couldn't gather.
हाँ, COVID का भी था, जमाना था वो. Correct.
And now, of course, I remember the last couple of months, you've taken a journey for yourself as a filmmaker with Sitare Zameen Par, because you're trying to make sense what's the best thing for the film.
जी.
I remember when you said pay-per-view, and now you're saying it's theatrical. How has that journey been? And it's a very public journey, right? Isn't it unfair that your journeys have to be so public, Amir?
What to do? What to do? No, I think that I'm very glad that हम लोग सिर्फ थिएटरों में आ रहे हैं. और मुझे लगता है कि मैं आज जो भी हूँ वो थिएटरों की वजह से हूँ, सिनेमा हॉल की वजह से.
बिल्कुल.
तो I have complete loyalty with cinema halls and theaters. और मुझे अपनी ऑडियंस पे पूरा फेथ और भरोसा है कि अगर हम अच्छी फिल्म बनाएंगे तो वो ज़रूर देखने आएंगे.
बिल्कुल.
These are the two things I'm going on.
Yeah. Is there a reason why you moved away from the pay-per-view?
No, I've not moved away from anything.
Okay.
I'm just releasing only in theaters. Pay-per-view में मैं कब आने वाला था? आपने कब ये बात?
At the Wave Summit. At the Wave Summit, I remember.
Pay-per-view की कभी बात नहीं हुई.
But OTT.
OTT पे मुझे नहीं आना.
Correct.
हाँ, OTT पे मुझे नहीं आना.
That's crazy though.
Yeah.
Is OTT going to be upset?
No, उनके पास तो बहुत कंटेंट. अरे वो तो जायंट कंपनी है, पता नहीं कितने ट्रिलियन की कंपनी है. उनको क्या फर्क पड़ेगा एक फिल्म नहीं आ रही है? उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
Yeah, but it'll be great because I think because of this film we'll have to go to the theater.
Well, I hope.
I hope so.
I hope.
Yeah. The true superstars of the film are your cast.
Yes.
And let me tell you that अक्सर ऐसे होता है when there is a superstar and there are new superstars. It's a bit conflicting, right? Because you know that you have to come in to lend your weight ताकि लोग आएं फिल्म देखने. How do you navigate that? Because in your mind, you are correct about this. They are the superstars. Are you waiting for the film to drop for us to meet them?
Set so many, any film, there's so many creative people working together. Usually कुछ ना कुछ ego clashes होते हैं, लोगों के अलग अलग ideas होते हैं. क्रिएटिव काम में हम अपसेट भी हो जाते हैं कभी कभी. तो कभी कभी डायरेक्टर जो है डीओपी से झगड़ा करता है, डीओपी साउंड वाले से अनबन हो जाती. इस फिल्म में एक दफ़ा भी नहीं हुआ. एक दफ़ा भी नहीं हुआ. क्योंकि जब ये 10 सेट पे आते हैं तो पूरी एनर्जी चेंज हो जाती है सेट की. और वो हमको we all get infected with that very positive energy.
But I also see that your ability to take a joke has never been this much. Where you're letting people call you Tingu, like.
Actually, I feel, जावेद साहब ने एक चीज कही थी ह्यूमर के बारे में जो I really agree with, कि a good sense of humor जो है is not just for fun and games. आपको तो हंसी तो आती है अच्छे सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर के साथ, लेकिन उसका असली काम तब आता है जब आपकी जिंदगी में कुछ डिफिकल्टीज हो.
Yeah.
तो उस वक्त अगर आपके पास अच्छा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है ना, तो इट्स लाइक अ शॉक ऑब्जॉर्बर.
So true.
You
Yes.
can laugh at yourself.
Yes.
You can laugh at the situation.
Yeah.
So I think I've always had that ability to laugh at myself and laugh at the situation.
I can't believe that is in the trailer. I
But
can't
that's
believe.
a very important part of the film. Very important part of the film. Ki he is also very conscious about something, he's not comfortable. That's a very important part of the film.
Yeah, but did it ever affect you? Did you ever worry about?
About my height?
Yeah.
Yeah. In the beginning of my career, I was very afraid कि यार Amit ji was number 1.
And he was 6+, correct?
So he's 6+, 6'1" or something.
Correct.
So I said कि यार Vinod ji, Vinod Khanna, Shatrughan Sinha, all tall, strapping people. So I was very nervous कि यार पता नहीं छोटे height के actor की कुछ दाल गलेगी कि नहीं गलेगी. But
Amazing.
so I was very, concerned about that. But then, as it turned out, it was fine.
You've taken the joke really well, and I think that impacted a lot of us because when you see someone you love so much take the joke, I think it tells all of us to relax a bit. I think everyone needs to take a joke a little better. I think it's really amazing. I also know that you've been evangelizing the film to such an extent. I mean, Sachin Tendulkar was in your house. I'm sorry. I think
नहीं,
it's
actually
too
सचिन
cool.
तो मेरी सब फिल्म में दिखता है.
हाँ,
हाँ,
वो तो
रिलीज
है,
से पहले
वो तो
सचिन
है.
और मेरा ये बहुत अभी कंटिन्यूटी बहुत टाइम से चल रही है.
Yeah, it was too cool, and I saw your
So
cast.
actually, his Anjali's phone came that we are traveling. They were going abroad for a holiday. So I was hoping to invite them for the premiere.
Correct.
But Anjali said हम लोग निकल रहे हैं, तो can you show the film to us before we travel? So that's what we did.
It was amazing. Ranbir was there casually, guys. Casual, chill session hangs chal rahe hain. And I saw the joy, okay, in your cast's eyes. What did it mean to them? I think you were Santa Claus.
Well, I want to give them a very special time.
Yeah,
I think कि ये फिल्म उन्होंने की है, ये उनके लिए एक बहुत ही स्पेशल मोमेंट है. और इस स्पेशल मोमेंट को मैं उनके लिए और खास बनाना चाहता हूँ. So I'm doing all that I can to give them the best time of their lives.
Amazing. Amazing.
देखिए फिल्म चलेगी नहीं चलेगी हमको आगे पता नहीं अपने तकदीर में क्या लिखा है, what will happen. But I just want to give them the best time.
Yeah, I remember speaking of.
That's why हम लोग प्रीमियर भी कर रहे हैं. मैं एक्चुअली प्रीमियर से बहुत घबराता हूँ.
Yeah, you haven't done one in very long.
Because नहीं किया है, but I get very flustered as the host and to my work, and I really appreciate that. I'm really grateful for that. My colleagues, filmmakers, directors, producers, they're all have always been very supportive of me. Yeah.
When you have non-actors with you, okay, who's done so much, what is that exchange like? Did you learn something from them?
So I'll tell you one moment. Ashish is one of the actors.
Yeah.
He's from Khandwa. तो एक दिन शॉट चल रहा था और मैंने कुछ गलती की, मुझसे लाइन गलत हो गई, तो मैं अरे सॉरी यार, सॉरी. तो आशीष बोलता है कोई बात नहीं सर, बड़े लोगों से ऐसी छोटी गलतियां होती रहती हैं.
How cute.
Yeah.
How cute. Oh my God.
Yeah, they're all amazing.
And there's also chat about you signing another film. Thank you. You and Lokesh Kanakaraj.
हाँ, Lokesh and I are doing a
Yeah.
film together.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but ये फिल्म अगले साल बनेगी. He's right now I think going to shoot for Kaidi.
Yeah.
So next year, second half, around August, September, we're going to start.
I can't wait. Also, it's great to know that while you're in one film, it's very rare, guys, that Amir's talking about another film because
I know it doesn't happen.
never happens. I love your line from the film, which is "Sabka apna normal." So I'm going to ask you, Amir Khan, are these things normal for you?
For me, okay.
Crying while watching a movie,
Very normal for me.
working like a maniac when the film releases.
Sounds familiar.
Sounds like you. Eating dessert first.
That's me.
That's you. Not knowing at all how much money you have.
That's me.
It is you. Taking failures extremely personally.
That's me.
Have you figured that each of these things are so normal for you?
हाँ मेरे लिए ये सब बहुत normal
Yeah,
है, correct.
I was just thinking about it. What is Amir Khan's normal? Is there anything you want to add to this list that is pure Amir Khan, which I might have missed?
I can't travel without my pillow.
What?
हाँ मैं तकिया लेके travel करता
That's very Gen Z of you.
हूँ. हाँ अच्छा.
Gen Zs can't step out without their muggas. You know, na? They keep sipping on water
हाँ अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
and their pillow.
अच्छा ये I didn't know this.
I didn't know this about you.
Yeah, whenever this for years,
Really?
my pillow is always with me.
Okay, so, but you don't carry
Security
it.
blanket.
A security pillow. But somebody else brings it, obviously.
No, sometimes I carry it, sometimes somebody who's with me carries it.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, I'm going to end because obviously we have lots of people to talk to. My question to you is, when we were getting into Lal Singh Chadda, I remember everybody talked about it as being a remake of, film. Are we talking about this film at all as being a remake?
Well, technically, yes, it is a remake.
Okay.
Of course, it's a remake of a Spanish film. और जब मैंने ये फिल्म देखी Spanish original, तो मुझे लगा कि यार मैं तारे ज़मीं पर 2 देख रहा हूँ.
Of course. Yeah.
Because उसी थीम को हम 10 कदम आगे ले जा रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
तो I said ये बहुत important film है और ये I have to make this film. And लाल सिंह नहीं चली थी और एक्शन का दौर आ गया था, तो मुझे सब लोगों ने बोला आप एक्शन करो, तो मैंने बोला नहीं कर सकता हूँ मैं एक्शन, लेकिन ये फिल्म बहुत ज़रूरी है और ये मेरे खून में उतर गई है. अभी मुझसे जब तक ये फिल्म निकलेगी नहीं बाहर, मैं और कुछ कर नहीं पाऊंगा.
Correct.
सो आई अंडरस्टैंड. अच्छा मैं प्रैक्टिकल आदमी नहीं हूँ.
Yes.
आई एम नॉट अ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल पर्सन. वो भी लिस्ट में डाल दो. इम्प्रैक्टिकल पर्सन.
Impractical है.
जब रंग दे बसंती, भगत सिंह और आज़ाद की 4 फिल्में बनी थी. आप रीमेक्स बोल रहे हो ना, 1 नहीं 2 नहीं 4 बनी थी.
Yeah.
और हम 5वीं कर रहे थे. अब आप बोलो इससे पागलपन कुछ होगा.
Correct. क्रिकेट पे फिल्म बना ली.
हाँ.
Yeah, so being practical is never
So
been
I've never been practical, and I feel that for me this is Sitare Zameen Par is a sequel to Tare Zameen Par, and it's taking the story further. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये फिल्म जो इतनी ज़रूरी फिल्म है वो हम भारत में भी देखें, हिंदुस्तान में भी देखें. All of us should watch this film.
Yeah.
It's a very important topic, very close to my heart.
Yeah. Thank you for always making.
मेरा एक सपना है कि आगे चल के हिंदुस्तान में कंप्लीट एंड टोटल इंक्लूसिविटी हो. भले आप न्यूरो डाइवर्जेंट हो और कोई तकलीफ हो आपको, हम सब एक साथ एज वन सोसाइटी वी शुड मूव अहेड. दैट इज माय ड्रीम.
Yeah.
एंड दिस फिल्म इज एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ दैट फीलिंग.
Yeah, it's amazing. Thank you for making space for the underdog always. I think it's important. And I think that maybe somewhere in your life you might have felt like one. I don't know. I'm psychoanalyzing your films. But thank you for making that space. It means a lot. This
Thank
is what you leave us with, this space. Thank you, Amir Khan.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thanks
much.
so much. This is Amir Khan and you're watching Just Too Filmy, and please subscribe to Rohini's channel. She's a wonderful person.